Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for all the latest news and updates. So you have logged into One India News and this is Mariam. Former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley's takedown of his critics for the government's handling of the economy has drawn a jibe from the Congress that not just accused the minister of shifting goalposts but also attacked the minister for comments about BJP veteran Yashwant Sinha that the Congress said should be unacceptable in political life. The veteran BJP leader's analysis of the economy had blamed Mr. Arun Jaitley for making a mess of the economy that will not subside before the next general elections. But Mr. Jaitley has now finally broken his silence on the barbs being thrown at him for the last 2 days.
A more appropriate title for your book would have been India at 70, Modi at 3.5, and a job applicant at 80. Thank you.
Last evening, at the release of a book titled India at 70, Modi at 3.5, Arun Jaitley retaliated. Calling Mr. Sinha a job applicant at 80, Mr. Jaitley said he did not have the luxury as yet of being a former finance minister, and so he could not forget certain facts or change the narrative to suit his convenience. Arun Jaitley denied that the economy had slowed down and charged the two former ministers, that is Sinha and P. Chidambaram, of acting in tandem, reminding them both how they had run down each other in the past. Hitting back, the Congress said that the minister Arun Jaitley had tried to escape the blame game, shifting goalposts, escaping responsibilities and denying accountability, and skipped far too many points. Congress spokesperson Randeep Surjewala said, "All Arun Jaitley did was insult his predecessor and senior Bharatiya Janata Party leader Yashwant Sinha by passing remarks that should be unacceptable in political life." He also said, unless effective measures are taken to set the economy's right course, Jaitley will himself have the distinction and luxury of being a former finance minister. Surjewala further added, the finance minister did not answer why the exports share in the GDP is at a 14-year low. He did not tell why the purchasing managers index in manufacturing sector is at 8-year low and the credit growth lowest in the last 63 years. That's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News.